How often do you wake up feeling tired and like your body isn't ready to face the day? It could be the constant pain in your joints or the feeling that your digestion is slower than it used to be. Do you wake up with a foggy mind or have trouble remembering things? You're not the only one who feels this way. Many seniors have these health problems, and they often start with the choices we make in the morning. Breakfast can have a direct effect on how we feel for the rest of the day, including our energy levels, mental clarity, and even our digestion. But here's the thing. Did you know that oats and eggs can help with these problems without any tricks or complicated recipes? Yes, that's correct. A breakfast of 1 cup of oats and 2 eggs could be very healthy for your body in many ways. Stay with me, because in today's video, we'll go into great detail about why this breakfast is so good for seniors, how to make it, and how it can help your health in general. Please subscribe to this channel if you're new here. This channel is for older people. We give you natural remedies, health tips, and lifestyle changes every week to help you boost your energy, sharpen your memory, protect your heart, and improve your digestion. By subscribing, you'll never miss advice that can help you live a healthier, happier, and more independent life after 60. Why breakfast is important for older people. Most people don't know this, but breakfast isn't just about eating something to start the day. It's about getting your body ready for what's to come. Our metabolism slows down as we get older. This means that the body needs better fuel to get going in the morning. Breakfast is very important because it gives us energy and sets the tone for how well our bodies work all day. Studies have shown that not eating breakfast can hurt your metabolism, energy, and even your brain function, which is something we definitely don't want as we get older. Our bodies are better able to control blood sugar, keep a healthy weight, and even handle stress when we eat breakfast. But here's the real kicker. Not all breakfasts are the same. The health benefits of oats for seniors. You may have heard of oats 100 times, but what makes them so good for seniors? Oats are one of the healthiest whole grains you can eat. They have a lot of soluble fiber, which is very good for our digestive health, especially as we get older. Oats can lower cholesterol, keep blood sugar levels stable, and keep our intestines working well. Oats can be a game changer for older people who have trouble going to the bathroom or are constipated. The best part? Oats are good for your heart too. Beta-glucan, a soluble fiber, is one of the things that makes them good for your heart and lowers bad cholesterol levels. This is important because heart health becomes more important as we get older. In a lot of cultures, oats are a common breakfast food. Porridge is a common breakfast food in Scotland, for example, because it gives the body energy all day long. In fact, countries like Scotland and the Nordic nations have lower rates of heart disease when people eat oats for breakfast. Eggs, a superfood for seniors. But what about the eggs? Are eggs really good for you, especially if you're trying to lose weight or keep your cholesterol in check? Here's something you might not know. Eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats when eaten in moderation. These are both very important for seniors. As we get older, we tend to lose muscle mass, which makes it harder to keep our muscles strong. Protein helps muscles heal, speeds up metabolism, and keeps your body strong. Eggs are a great, easy-to-digest source of this important nutrient. But that's not all. Eggs are also full of important vitamins and minerals. They have vitamin D, which is very important for bone health, especially for older people who may be at risk for osteoporosis. Eggs also have vitamin B12, which is important for keeping our nerve and blood cells healthy, and for keeping our memory and thinking clear. Eggs have been a main food in many cultures for hundreds of years. In a lot of Mediterranean countries, eggs are used in a lot of different dishes, like omelets and frittatas. They are often served with vegetables and olive oil to make them even healthier. How does this breakfast help older people with their digestion? Now, let's talk about digestion, which is a common problem for older people. What does this breakfast do for you? Oats are high in soluble fiber, which slows down the digestion process and gives your body more time to take in important nutrients. This can help with the bloating and discomfort that many older people have with digestion. Eggs, on the other hand, are high in protein, which helps keep the muscles in the gut strong and improves digestion overall. A lot of older people have trouble with constipation or not going to the bathroom regularly. This breakfast can help with that. The oats fiber helps keep your bowels regular, and the egg's protein keeps you full and satisfied, which makes you less likely to eat too much later in the day. Part 5. Useful advice for making breakfast. But how do you cook this breakfast? Is it as simple as it sounds? Of course, this breakfast is as simple as it gets. Get a cup of oats and cook them in water or milk, whichever you like. While they are cooking, scramble 2 eggs in a different pan. When both are ready, mix them together to make a meal that is both healthy and easy to make. Different cultures make oats in different ways. In the US and Canada, people usually eat oatmeal with fruit or syrup to make it sweet. In the UK, people often eat it with salt and butter to make it savory. There are many ways to cook eggs, such as hard-boiled, scrambled, and poached. Each method gives the eggs a slightly different taste and texture, but they all make for a tasty and healthy breakfast. Section 6. How to get the most out of this breakfast. What if you could make this meal even better for you? Can you add anything to make it more effective? Of course! You can add more toppings like chia seeds or ground flax seeds to get more omega-3 fatty acids, which are very good for your heart and brain. A few berries or a banana could add some extra vitamins and fiber, and a little honey could make it taste sweet naturally. If you like a savory breakfast, try adding mushrooms or spinach to your scrambled eggs. Adding more vitamins and minerals that are important for seniors will not only make the food taste better, but it will also make it more nutritious. Are you having trouble digesting food, or have you just been feeling less energetic lately? Would you like to try this easy and quick breakfast to help your health? If you have tried this recipe or plan to, please let me know in the comments below. And please tell me your favorite breakfast combinations too. I'd love to hear them. That's all there is to it. This breakfast is easy to make and very filling. It only takes 1 cup of oats and 2 eggs. This mix is good for your heart, helps your muscles get stronger, helps your digestion, and even protects your brain. This breakfast not only fills you up, but it also gives you energy for the rest of the day. Please like, share, and subscribe if you thought this video was helpful. If you sign up, you'll get weekly advice that are just for seniors. These tips can help you live longer, healthier, and happier after age 60. Be safe, and I'll see you in the next video.